Stop chasing, stalking, or obsessing if you want to manifest your dream relationship. Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. This is Priya, your manifestation coach. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you why stalking, chasing, or obsessing blocks you from manifesting your dream relationship. But more importantly, how you can break this negative habit so that you can finally allow in your dream partner with ease and speed. So let's get started. Stop stalking, chasing, or obsessing if you want to manifest your dream relationship. Now, stalking, chasing, or obsessing is one of the biggest blocks out there that stops so many people from manifesting their dream partner. And here's why. When you are stalking, chasing, or obsessing, the energy or the frequency that you are dwelling in is the energy of wanting. Now, every time you remain in the energy of wanting, the energetic signal that you're broadcasting to the universe is, I don't have my dream relationship. Therefore, the universe is going to send you evidence to demonstrate to you that you don't have your dream relationship. So the more you stalk, the more you chase, the more you obsess, you actually block yourself from receiving your dream relationship. Now let's talk a little bit about what it means to stalk somebody, obsess over them, or chase them. Stalking somebody, chasing them, or obsessing them could mean, for example, that you're somebody who is constantly stalking someone's social media. You're constantly trying to figure out what they're up to, what they are doing, and you're giving that meaning in your mind about what that means in relation to you and your relationship with that person. Or it could mean that you're constantly looking at your phone to see if they've messaged you. These are all examples of you chasing, obsessing, and stalking. It keeps you stuck in that energy of wanting. But more importantly, it really disempowers you, because now what you're saying is that your happiness is contingent upon that person behaving a certain way. And the minute your happiness is contingent upon something outside of you, you have become a victim to your circumstances. So on a day-to-day level, it doesn't feel good to stalk somebody, chase somebody, or obsess over somebody. And from a higher level point of view, it actually blocks you from manifesting your dream relationship because it keeps you stuck in the energy of wanting. Now, conversely, when you focus on the energy of having, which is all about being in the energy of receiving, this is when you will manifest your dream relationship fast. Because when you're in the energy of having, the energetic signal that you're broadcasting to the universe is, I have my dream relationship. Therefore, your 3D reality must conform and mirror back to you that you do have your dream relationship. So then the next question is, okay, well, how does one get into the energy of having or receiving? Well, in order to really allow this to sink in, it's about understanding what you would feel, what emotions you would feel if you had your dream relationship right now. If you were in your dream relationship, you would feel happy, you would feel joyful, you would feel elated, you would not be stressing, worrying, stalking, chasing, or obsessing. So the idea is you want to embody those emotions of joy and happiness, satisfaction, and feeling fulfilled now in the present moment. Every time you feel fulfilled, every time you feel satisfied, every time you are happy in the present moment, you are in the energy of receiving and you are in the energy of having. So today I invite you to explore if you are somebody who is currently stalking, chasing, or obsessing. And you will know if you are doing this just through the way that you feel. You will feel very anxious, you will be in the energy of fear, and hence that's why you are stalking, chasing, and obsessing. Now, this is a tell that right now you are not in the vibration of having your dream relationship. Therefore, you want to completely drop this negative habit that you are engaging in, whether that is stalking somebody on social media, stalking them on WhatsApp, or in whatever shape or form it is that you're stalking, chasing, and obsessing. A really good exercise that you can use to get clear about all your negative habits is to begin to make a list of actions that you take that keep you in the energy of wanting, that keep you in the energy of fear. So every time you're stalking somebody on social media, does it feel good? Does it feel aligned? Or does it make you feel worse? Do you feel out of alignment? Does it build up your anxiety. If this is the case, then you know that right now you are in the energy of wanting, and this is a negative habit that is preventing you from receiving your dream relationship. So once you make this list and you get clear about what your personal habits are that is keeping you stuck in the energy of wanting, you then want to make a decision that you're going to drop these habits, that you're not going to entangle yourself in this energy. And instead, you're going to redirect your focus on the energy of receiving and on the energy of having. Instead, you're going to focus on following your highest excitement, on following your joy, on doing things that light up your soul, on having fun. From the understanding that every time you focus on feeling good in the present moment, you are in the energy of having and you are in the energy of receiving. And when you stay in this vibration consistently for a short period of time, the energetic signal that you broadcast to the universe is, I have my dream relationship. And this is when the universe will send you evidence to demonstrate to you that you do have your dream relationship. This is when you will manifest it into your reality with ease and speed. It begins with you. And on a deeper level, you empower yourself. When you show yourself that you can be happy in the now without your dream partner, that you can have fun in the now without your dream partner, you feel empowered. You take your power back. This is like a sovereignty piece where you're showing yourself that, hey, you know what? I am good right now, regardless of my 3D circumstances. And this is when you become truly powerful. This is when you amplify the energy of your dream relationship. This is when it will manifest into your reality frigging fast. So by you empowering yourself in the present moment, not only do you feel good, not only do you feel better about yourself and about life, but you also remain in the energy of having and in the energy of receiving, which allows you to manifest your dream relationship with your dream partner fast. So to recap, you are now aware that when you are stalking, chasing, or obsessing, you block yourself off from manifesting your dream partner because this keeps you in the energy of wanting. And when you're in the energy of wanting, the energetic signal that you're broadcasting to the universe is, I don't have my dream relationship. Therefore, you will manifest evidence in your reality to demonstrate to you that you don't have your dream relationship. And on a day-to-day level, you don't feel good. You feel anxious. You're stuck in the energy of fear. You're in survival mode. Now, conversely, when you redirect your focus onto the energy of having and onto the energy of receiving, when you make the energy of receiving and having more important than your 3D reality, more important than the manifestation itself, you will manifest your dream partner very fast, because the energetic signal that you're sending to the universe when you focus on joy and happiness right now in the present moment, regardless of your circumstances, when you show yourself that you can be happy right now without your dream partner, without your dream relationship, you feel good. And the energetic signal that you're broadcasting to the universe is, I have my dream relationship. Therefore, the universe must demonstrate to you that you do have your dream relationship, and this is how it will flow into your reality with ease and speed. So today I invite you to get real with yourself, to be honest with yourself, to be brutally honest with yourself about what it is that you are doing, then make a decision from there. Make a decision that you're going to focus on the energy of receiving and having, because this is what is going to allow you to manifest your dream relationship. When you are consistently in the energy of having and receiving, the byproduct of that is your manifestation. Now, if you would like to go deeper into everything we have learned here today, if you would like a step-by-step roadmap where I show you how to shift from the energy of wanting and into the energy of having to manifest your dream relationship, then you can get your hands on my free class, 6 Steps to Manifest Your Dream Relationship, by clicking the link below this video. Or if you would like to work with me on a one-on-one capacity to manifest your dream partner, then you can apply for my flagship program, Sovereign Queen Academy, by also clicking the link below in the description box. And finally, if you are someone who desires marriage, then you can watch my video here next, how to manifest marriage fast. And last but not least, thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a beautiful day. Mwah.